Hello friends, I am Diksha and I'm really blessed with my name Diksha because today I got Rudraksh Diksha courier which is offered by Sadhguru and which was free of cost. So I'm going to unboxing this and I will cover all the question like why don't you receive yet this packet, this courier. So please don't take tension. If you ordered, so you will receive definitely, so please have patience and let's look out in this packet. You have got like this is, I think this is guidebook. Oh wow, this is Adi Yogi photo, you can see. And I think it's Rudraksh packet. I ordered 3 Rudraksh, so is, and it is Vibhuti. So that's all about this packet. So I want to tell you guys, so if you order, so you will get received definitely, and please have patience and keep tracking your courier number, your consignment number, because I am from Kanpur and when I ordered I don't think that I will be received, but now I receive, and in this Savan month I receive, so I really, let's see our Rudraksh. So I'm going to open in this black potli. Wow. With Rudraksh, you will receive a thread. Helping of this thread, you can wear this Rudraksh. 1. Then this is second. Second is also the same with this thread. It is Panchmukhi Rudraksh, so everyone can wear, woman or man, doesn't matter. This is all 3 Rudraksh and it is Vibhuti, so you can apply Vibhuti your head and your throat. You can see, you can store in other box because in this weather it will not safe in this packet. This is all about Rudraksh Diksha courier, but my one experience I want to share with you guys. Last time I tracked, so my courier has been reached in Delhi, so I was thinking that it will be received in 1 week, but after a long time I haven't received. So before 5 days I tracked and it has been reached in Kanpur, but haven't received any information. So I called in courier office and within 2-3 days I received. So I received today, so that's it. And I want to say guys, please you keep tracking your courier and call to your courier office and you will definitely receive, because I am from Kanpur and it's came from Chennai, so it's long distance. I didn't believe that it will become, but now I receive. So I want to say you guys, have patience, you will definitely receive. So thank you, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Thank you Sadhguru, thank you ISA Foundation, thank you ISA volunteers who did great job.